Hey, what's up my good people? This is Jeff Carbuoy here. A daylight saving happened, and therefore every time it happened the clock is gonna be either 1 hour ahead or 1 hour behind. This time it's 4:15 according to this one, but it's actually 3:15 because of the daylight saving. So how to set up a clock on a Honda Civic? This is particular one is 2013. Real quick, you need focus here, not here. Some you might be get confused by this setup. No, focus on the power steering, this button right here, menu, and you're gonna be looking at this little screen right there. So look what happened. You click the menu, and as you can see right there, and then you need to select at the bottom right here just one, and it's gonna show the adjust clock. Click the OK, and OK is this button right here, and then go on the side right there, and then you can adjust. We're gonna click on the bottom, the minus, and then go next. It's about 322. I'm clicking this to add. Set it up at 323, and then come on the side and click OK right here, and that one has set the clock to 323. And then to exit, you just click menu right here, and that's how you set up the clock on the Honda Civic. And this one is 2013. Subscribe, stay tuned. This is your man Jeff Carbuoy. See you on the next one.